Before myEcon, I've had numerous years, over 20 years in the financial services area as a mortgage loan officer, 5 years as a speaker for a nonprofit in financial literacy. And since I've become involved with myEcon, initially my wife and I, just by learning some of the strategies ourselves, we were able to increase our cash flow initially with myEcon by $600 a month or $7,200 a year. But our primary objective and goal in the business is to be able to help other individuals have financial wealth and success in their personal lives. We're very excited about that. We're very excited about what myEcon has to offer individuals, and we're glad to be a part of that process and being able to bring success to other people's lives as well as success, stories to myEcon as to helping people accomplish the objectives of myEcon.